So nanotechnology is from the word nano, which is small. It is an atom or molecules of everything that we have, that we cannot see it through our naked eye. We need the technology to see the atoms and molecules. So, wala siya nakabase sa naked eyes. Kailangan pa natin mga technology to see it. Nanotechnology refers also to the manufacturers, for example, sunscreen, furniture, sports equipment, clothing, and etc. Nanotechnology, it is the manipulation of matter at the nanoscale, which is the scale of 1 to 100 nanometers. Working with matter at the nanoscale, a measurement range of 1 to 100 nanometer is also known as the nanotechnology. Also, nanotechnology is the study of individual atoms and molecules. It involves studying and manipulating individual atoms and molecules to create new material, devices, and systems with unique properties and functionalities. Nanotechnology also has its application in various such as medicine, electronics, material science, and energy. So in nanotechnology, its application is not just in one sector but in including the sector of electronics, material science, energy, and medicine. It does not just focus on science sector. Who are the pioneers or kinsa tong mga nakadiscover sa nanotechnology? First is Richard Feynman, the American physicist and Nobel Prize laureate. Richard Feynman introduced the concept of nanotechnology in 1959. He presented a lecture titled There's Plenty of a Room at the Bottom, where he discussed the potential for manipulating an individual atoms and molecules. So si Feynman ang pinakauna nga nag-introduce sa concept sa nanotechnology. The next is Alfred Chu and John Arthur. These scientists working at Bell Labs in the late 1960s invented the molecular beam epitaxy or MBE. MBE enabled the control disposition of single atomic layers, a crucial technique in nanoscale material growth. So ang invention po nilang duha is ang MBE. Next pioneer is Mr. Dr. Nori Taniguchi, a Japanese scientist, coined the term nanotechnology in 1974. He defines nanotechnology as the processing of separation, consolidation, and deformation of materials by one atom or one molecule. Si Dr. Terry ang first tao nga nagamit na itong term nga nanotechnology. Nanomaterials are the materials with structures and properties significantly different from those of bulk materials due to their small size. These materials have dimensions in the nanoscale range, usually between 1 and 100 nanometers, and exhibit unique physical, chemical, and biological properties. So, ang nanomaterials is wala siya ka ng mga small small sizes bitaw. Dili siya awat sa bulk nga kanang dagko. Ang nanomaterials is mga small sizes like mga atoms, molecules. How to view a nanomaterials? Nano size are objects that are smaller than the wavelength of light, and because of this, they cannot be viewed with a light microscope. Special tools are needed to see nanoscale objects, one of which the scanning electron microscope. This activity will have students explore the types of images that can obtain using an SEM. So, ang nano materials or nano is mga gagmay siya nga mga sizes of kanang like mga atoms, mga molecules. So need og kanang mga high technology nga gamit para makita ang mga atoms. Bottoms up manufacturing approach, the process of building products from molecular components. Projects of this sort tend to be time-consuming due to the innumerable elements required to create a given product. Sa bottom-up manufacturing approach is ang items is constructed from their molecular constituents. Kanang gagmay siya. These kinds of project usually take a long time because there are so many components needed to make a single product.
Nanomaterials. 1. Carbon-based nanomaterials are intentionally produced fluoriness. This includes carbon, nanotubes, and buckyballs. Metal-based nanomaterials include gold, nanoparticles, and quantum dots. 3. Dendrimers are complex nanoparticles built from linked branch units. Each dendrimer has 3 sections: a core, an inner shell, and the outer shell. In addition, each dendrimer has a branch ends. 4. Non-composites combine nanomaterials with other nanomaterials or with larger bulk materials. There are the 3 main non-composites: non-ceramic, matrix composites, NCMCS, metal matrix composites, MMCS, and polymer matrix composites, PMMCS. What are the product of contains nanomaterials? Example is a food, coating, paints, and ink, and toners. Pharmaceutical, cosmetics, personal cards products, rubbers products, and electronic products. Possible applicants of nanotechnology in the Philippines. Nanotech, according to the HIM, was a various applicants such as medicine, energy, agriculture, food production and safety, space, science, semiconductors, electronics, and information technology, among others.
So, good evening, ma'am. I'm Cadet Adrian Mysterios. So, my assigned topic about what are the product that contain nanomaterials. So, the product nanomaterial is first is the food, coating and paint, and pharmaceutical, cosmetic and personal card product, rubber product, and electronic product. So, next is proceed the possible applications of nanotechnology in the Philippines. So, nanotechnology is according to the HIM was the various applications such as medicine, energy, agriculture, food production and safety, and space science, and semiconductor or electronic and information technology, among others. So let's proceed the benefits nanotechnology. So nanotechnology adds the potential for a new and faster kinds of the computer, more efficient power source of the life-saving medical treatment. So potential and possible threat of the security, privacy, health, and environment.